Assalamualaikum dan selamat sejahtera semua. So, untuk video kali ni saya akan terangkan berkenaan dengan chapter 1 lah. Okay. Alright, untuk chapter 1 ini adalah introduction to packaging. Okay. This is the learning outcome. Boleh baca sendiri learning outcome. Okay, yang pertama, differentiate the function of different packaging system and relate the technical aspect of physical distribution, okay, and sensitivity of product based on the topic covered in this chapter. Okay, kemudian discover relationship between packaging system and relationship with a community, consumer needs and environmentally based. Kemudian demonstrate the relevance of packaging role and their benefits to human life and universal in the form completing the assignment based on the topics covered in this chapter. And then propose the contribution of packaging to a society, people welfare, environment, economy, globalization, marketing and packaging regulation assignment based on the topic covered in this chapter. Okay. So along the video nanti saya akan bagi tahulah mana part-parts yang akan masuk final dan juga akan masuk dalam ujian lah, test So please take note tolong tengok video lah. Okay. Alright, the first one, introduction. This topic will discuss about the fundamental and element of packaging. Okay. This chapter consists of, okay, so ada beberapa elemen kat sini. Yang pertama, introduction and many definition of packaging. Okay, definition of packaging ni ada ditanya dalam final. Kemudian, packaging as a profession, basic role of packaging in community, okay, packaging industry, recycle and the environment. Okay, yang environment ni banyak ditanya dalam test dan juga final juga. Okay, packaging system design and optimization. Kemudian the corporate environment of the packaging, contribution of packaging to the country's economy, contribution of packaging to the society, packaging global regulation. Okay. The chapter end with some activities, reference and bibliography. Okay, yang tu tak ada apa. Okay, introduction to packaging. Okay, generally packaging is a system to make sure the product is received by the consumer in good condition. Okay, all product, whether it is food, household, military, pharmaceutical, cosmetics, need a package depending on function and suitability. Some of the product must have a package all together to distribute to the customer or disposal. For example, water, oil, when no package, no product. Okay, so jadinya packaging kita nak pastikan kita punya produk sampai ke pelanggan lah dalam keadaan baik. Okay, macam yang dalam bentuk liquid contoh air ke minyak ke, right, yang itu memang kena package lah memang kena packaging lah benda tu, kalau tak tumpah lah kan, betul tak? So tu dia kata no package no product lah. Okay. Alright, and then okay, definition of packaging. Okay, yang ni dalam final definition of packaging ni. Definition ni banyak. Okay, so ini yang salah satu lah. Packaging is the art, science and technology of preparing containers, transportation, distribution, storage, retailing and consumption. It should ensure safe delivery of product to the ultimate consumer in sound condition at minimum overall cost, with maximizing sales, profit and customer satisfaction. Okay, figure 1.1 show the discipline of packaging technology. Okay, so ada banyak disiplin dalam packaging ni. Okay, ia melibatkan disiplin daripada mechanical engineering, daripada mathematics and then packaging science, okay, chemical engineering and physics lah. Okay. Right. So ini ada definition of packaging. Ada definition. Packaging is an exciting, dynamic profession that uniquely involve all of the following. Okay, packaging is engineering, science, technology, design, environment, and business. Okay, so kali ni dia punya definition lebih meluas lah. Okay, dia ada melibatkan science, teknologi, design, environment, and business. Okay, packaging professional bring to market innovative, cost effective packaging solution that allow their companies to attract new customer and increase their business. Okay, packaging juga dia datang dalam bentuk yang market inovatif lah, cost effective, and then dia boleh menarik perhatian pelanggan lah, okay, dengan design packaging yang menarik lah untuk meningkatkan untuk meningkatkan business lah, kata orang. Okay, so ni definition ni lebih meluas lah. Okay, they are developing revolutionary new food and drug package that will extend the life of perishable products so they can safely be shipped out all over the world. Okay, so packaging nak pastikan juga produk dalam keadaan baik lah, tidak rosak kalau kita nak nak export ke luar negara ke dan sebagainya. Okay, our society is realizing the importance of packaging and more people are needed to enter the packaging profession to help protect consumers, our natural resource, and the environment through package that are environmentally sound. Okay, so kita kena pastikan juga kita punya packaging tu tidak tidak kata orang tu memberi kesan lah kepada persekitaran. Itu paling penting juga tu. Okay, packaging has various function in today's society. Yeah, it provide protection for the products it contain. For example, in absorbing impact and vibration in distribution, the protection to humans through features that indicate a product have been tampered with. It's provide communication through symbols that are only read by machines, such as the barcodes, and the intensive communication in the human environment through colors and many printed message that help sell the product and inform users and consumers of product attribute. Packaging provide consumer and users with enormous convenience. For example, we can today find many products in many different size and at various location, which would be nearly impossible without packaging. Okay, alright, ni lebih meluas lagi, ada tambahan lagi. So packaging ni banyak sebenarnya benda kat situ. So macam kat sini dia kata packaging ni juga kita kena buat dia boleh absorb impact, boleh distribute vibration. Kita kena design packaging tu supaya barang dalam tu selamat lah, tak pecah ke, tak apa ke. And then dia juga packaging ni kita kena pastikan dia ada macam-macam information, ada barcodes, ada what else, macam kalau makanan ada ingredients dia, ada dia punya kata orang tu dia punya zat-zat yang ada dalam dalam nutrition, dalam yang ada dalam dekat food tu, macam everything yang kita boleh bagi maklumat kepada pengguna, kepada kepada customer. So ini penting. Kalau tak, pelanggan dia tak nak belilah, dia takut nak beli sebab yalah kita tak nak lah beli produk yang yang bukan yang tak ada kelulusan. Mesti ada kelulusan halal, ada diiktiraf oleh mana-mana badan, makanya macam itulah. Okay, so banyak sebenarnya. Sebelum ni kita fikir packaging ni lah benda simple je, tapi rupanya bila kita tengok dia punya definisi tu, sebenarnya sangat banyak definisi dia tu. Okay. Okay, packaging is defined as the technology and art of preparing a commodity for convenient transport, storage, and sale. Alright, packaging as a profession, okay, whose packaging technologies or engineer, okay, any individual who is engaged in the packaging function in essence of packaging technologies or engineers, okay, she may have her major training in one of these specific area depending upon the main emphasis of his task assignment. Okay, ini apa orang-orang yang macam awak lah yang ambil kelas packaging ni. Okay, so whether you will later you will become a technologist or engineers in the packaging punya field lah, packaging punya bidang. Okay, career opportunity packaging material, so banyak packaging ni. Whether you are packaging material, packaging design, yang design ni pun banyak tau. Macam tadi tu nak design awak punya package tu to make sure it can absorb impact, it can distribute vibration. Okay, it's not an easy task. Macam for example, kita nak kita nak packagekan kita punya electronic punya device lah, macam komputer ke apa, dia ada art of the packaging tu lah. Dia mesti ada, dia letak macam-macam lah untuk to reduce the impact tu. Okay, komputer macam electronic device ni lagilah dia export ke luar negara, ke mana-mana kan. Okay, and then packaging research and development. Okay, packaging machinery design and development, purchasing, marketing, sales and advertising, packaging management. Okay, so banyak sebenarnya bidang yang melibatkan dengan packaging ni. Okay, and then packaging categories. Packaging can be divided to several categories from technology aspect and current demand. Okay, consumer packaging, consumer product, food, cosmetic, pharmaceutical. Okay, ini packaging industry dia ada melibatkan product, food, cosmetic, pharmaceutical, and then industry packaging. Packaging specific machinery, component, glass manufacturing, paper manufacturing. Okay, so kalau untuk consumer, maksudnya untuk pengguna awam lah macam kita, biasanya packaging ni dekat banyak kat produk food lah, cosmetic, pharmaceutical. And then untuk industry biasanya untuk machinery component, glass manufacturing, paper manufacturing. Okay, military packaging pun ada, specific specification, granite, bomb. Ni bukan mudah-mudah punya packaging ni. Okay, and then institutional packaging, bodies are involved in packaging. Kemudian government packaging, related with government regulation and law. Okay, and then basic role of packaging in the community. Okay, so the role of packaging is an integrated system involving all of discipline from the material sourcing until the consumer satisfaction, including the physical, psychological aspect. Example, toothpaste package, physical, rigid, psychological, decoration, and end of shelf life of package. It is involving design, business, economic, marketing, retail, warehouse, transportation, social regulation, minimize environmental effect. Okay, so ini basic role of packaging lah. Okay, banyak tu awak tengok tu. Kemudian in other words, packaging serves society along with the entire supply chain. Okay, it secures product quality, provide for efficient and safe delivery, enable storage and sufficient shelf life, offers important product information, and protect product from damage, tampering, and deterioration. Okay, packaging provide consumer what they want, when they want it, in a format that fits their lifestyle. At the same time, the packaging role focus has been on to produce packaging that minimize environmental impact while meeting the requirement of our customer and consumer. Okay, so banyak role packaging ni. Kita nak jaga customer punya satisfaction, and then in the same time kita nak kena jaga juga environment. So banyaklah role dia. So our primary effort has been to provide increasing lighter weight, recyclable packaging that contain recycled material when feasible. Okay, figure 1.2 shows the integrated system of packaging and the relationship. What happen if the world without the packaging? Okay, so ini adalah dia punya ni lah, principle of packaging elements. Okay, video ni saya tak boleh buat lebih daripada 15 minit. So kita berhenti dulu setakat ni, sebab nanti saya tak boleh nak upload dekat YouTube. YouTube kena less than 15 minit. Okay, so we continue to the next video.